In this demo, we'll show how Wodan AI software works for AI and ML model providers. The top terminal shows the client API, the bottom terminal shows the server API. We start by logging into the user interface. After logging in, we see four options: convert a pre-trained model, train a new secure model, deploy secure models, and monitor our deployed models. Let's start with converting. We give it a model name and select a model file from our system. We provide some sample data, and we can convert from scikit-learn, ONNX, and Keras. We convert it into an FHE circuit. Next, we select the algorithm for the model and provide two parameters relevant to homomorphic encryption. Our model is being converted and sent to the inference server from where we can deploy it later. Now let's explore model training. We give our new model a name and select a dataset file. The key step here is choosing the right algorithm again. Each type of algorithm takes slightly different parameters. We can tune the train/test ratio and then train the model on encrypted data. Now that we've both converted and trained a model, let's deploy one. We give it a name and select the model we want to deploy. Since we deploy it as a Docker container, we add the parameters needed for your environment. The model is now deployed as a Docker container. You can view your deployed model and monitor its usage as well as test it for accuracy and performance. This concludes the back-end demo of Wodan AI.